Children, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 10. Today, we are going to revise the chapter Coordinate Geometry through its mind map. As we have studied in class 9 that it is the branch of mathematics in which we discuss about the position of a point in the graph using the x-axis and the y-axis. And we have also discussed that the value of x coordinate is called abscissa and value of y coordinate is called ordinate. Next, we discussed about finding the distance between any two points in the graph, that is called as distance formula. The distance between the points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is given by PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using this formula, we can find the distance between any two points in the graph. Next, we discussed about section formula. It is the formula used to find when a point xy divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 and m2. So as you can see in the diagram, APB is a line segment. P is the point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 and m2. So then the formula to find what are the coordinates of the point xy is given by Pxy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. By using this formula, we can find what are the coordinates of the point xy that divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Next, we discussed about the midpoint formula. It is slight alteration to the section formula because in section formula we studied that the point xy that lies on the line segment AB and it is not the midpoint, so the ratio is m1 is to m2. But in midpoint formula, the point Pxy, it is exactly the midpoint, so m1 is to m2, it becomes 1 is to 1. Therefore, the formula to find the midpoint xy that bisects the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, because m1 and m2 both become 1 here. Therefore, 1 x1 1 x2 divided by 1 plus 1, which is 2. Next is finding the area of a triangle. We know that triangle contains three vertices or the 3 points. When the 3 points are represented over a graph by using their coordinates of the 3 points, we can find what is the area of the triangle. It is calculated as let ABC be any triangle whose vertices are A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Then area of the triangle ABC is given as half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By using this formula, we can calculate area of the triangle which is present on the graph. That's all about the chapter coordinate geometry. I hope the revision through this mind map helped you to revise the concepts of the chapter coordinate geometry and understand it in a better way. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.